Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question I have today is regarding our Google Ads leads are down by 75% across the United States market. Different companies, different states and cities, all service-based companies. Anyone else seeing less leads? Okay. So I assume that you are managing multiple countries, which is why you have said all service-based companies, and because your data is related to service-based companies. Service-based companies are those companies which after-sales services of different companies, plumbers, doctors, you know, ideally service-based work related. So in case if you are happening or seeing this right now, this is at the time of creating this video, you need to understand it's 30th October right now. You may be watching this video in January, February, March, whatever is the month, but you need to understand that there can be a seasonality change as well. There are certain niches and industries where the sales are down in a specific month and sales are up in a specific month. For instance, right now the shopping month is ahead, and with November Halloween sales and Black Friday coming on, so everyone is starting up their sales on regarding to that. So in my opinion, that seasonality change can be a reason through which why your ads are down 75%. There can be certain issues. For instance, when there are winter holidays, I mean summer holidays for the children, like in the June, July, August, you may see that different companies used to reduce their spending, and then there are travel companies which increase their spend because traveling happens most at that time. Again, the holiday may vary according to the country you are living in. So I'm just giving you data, but seasonality change can be a possibility. So in case if you are seeing this change for the first time, you need to be patient. But or in case if you are running it for years and there has no such movement in the past years, but you are seeing it for the first time over the years, then it could be another reason. For instance, it could be related to competition. Let me write everything over here as well. Seasonality, uh, not good at spellings. Competition, increased competition as well. Your quality score has dropped. There can be certain reasons. Your average position has gone down. People are no more interested in your ads. Okay. In case if your people are no more interested in your ads, you can come up with new campaigns, themes, offer designs, new ads. You may need some new offer to get again your average position gone down or your quality score has dropped. You may need your campaign needs audit improvement, or there can be a scenario where there is an sudden increase of a competition, and now many people are targeting on the same queries, keywords, and your position has dropped, or you are not able to get as much data or clicks or attention as you were supposed to get. So these are the few of the reasons through which your campaign or leads are down by 75%. So I hope it answers your question. So in case if you like this answer and you want to stay connected with me, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. And in case if you need Google ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads, or SEO or web development services, all you have to do is just simply click on the link in the description, and so that you can work with me and my team, and we can help you in improving your Google ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads campaign, or we can also help you with SEO and web development. So thank you for watching this video. Take care, and in case if you have any questions, do write in the comments of this video. So take care and bye bye.